Welcome back to another episode of Yoga Holds with your host, Kenya Marsh, founder of Simply Fit and Curvy Yoga. This week, we're going to work on holding our Warrior One. We're going to go through how to access the pose, check in body alignment, and then work on trying to hold for 1 minute. And we're going to perform it for each leg. So let's get started. To get into the pose, you want to start at the top of your mat in your mountain pose. If you want to know more about this pose, check out my previous video where we spent time holding this pose and how to do your body track. And then from here, you're going to inhale into your upward salute. Now you're going to exhale, take a giant step back with your right leg, bending your left knee. Now let's look at the positions of our legs. Your back leg, in this case is my right, is on a 45-degree angle. My foot is. And my front leg is, you want to make sure that your knee is stacked right over your ankle, right? You don't want to go past your toes, past your ankle. You want to keep it right in line. So to make some adjustments, you can either step forward. If it's too intense, the deeper you spread your legs, the more you can get low into the pose. So I'm going to just take a mid stance. Next, you want to make sure you are facing forward. So your body is facing toward the top of your mat. Now, sometimes when you're this high up, you tend to pull your knee back. You want to just make sure you bend that knee, keep it bent. It's going to really work the top of your quads, and it stretches out this whole part of you. Next up is you raise your arms, and then you just hold them together. Palms facing each other. Your shoulders is relaxed, not towards your ears. And last, you just pull your belly in and make sure you just tuck in your sitting bones. So that's all the body checks. Now let's go ahead and get into the posture so we can hold it. I'm going to start with extending my right leg back. So coming back into mountain pose. Inhale, lift your arms into your upward salute. Exhale, step back, raise those arms, and we're going to hold. So just keep breathing. If your arms need to get a break, you could take time just bringing them down, lift them up, bring them down. This way you're still working. You kind of just getting some mobility going with your shoulders. Or you can just keep it rested. Focus on just the lower portion of your body, keeping your core pulled in tight so it's engaged. Push your palms together, and then you're going to feel that burn. So at any point you want to take a break, please do. You can stop. You only have 20 seconds if you can last. And I know you could. Just keep breathing. But if you want to work up to this, you can always come back to this video or pause it, jump right back in. So we're doing good. You got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Extend that leg up, step forward, hands together. Great job. Now we just got to do the other side. So let me set that timer here. Nice inhale. Exhale, big step back with that left foot. Bend it at a 45-degree angle. Check your knee. If you feel that it's coming in, just take your index and middle finger and apply a little push from the inside of the leg so that way your knee's in line with your toes. Keep it bent. If you feel that you're passing your knee, you can inch your foot forward and bend. Facing forward here. Lift up through the chest. Keep breathing. Relax those shoulders and breathe. You're doing great. You're at the 20-second mark. Take your inhales in, and just like with this, if your arms is getting tired, bring your palms together. Keep breathing. Inhale, lift them back up, spread those fingers, hold, keep that core pulled in nice and tight. You are now at a few seconds. Look at that. You may step up and rise. So as you can see, 1 minute goes by pretty fast, but it can also feel pretty long. I'm very proud of you for lasting this whole time, and I hope that you was able to learn something new. You might feel some burning in those quads, and that means you have awakened those muscles. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for next week where I roll out the mat again and we will cover Warrior 2. Other than that, if you are new, please feel free to check out all my previous videos by looking up the playlist that I have. I'll even put it in the description box. And I have great news. If you're new to starting your yoga journey, you can enroll into my new Discover Yoga course, and the link is in the description box, or you can visit courses.simplyfitandcurvyyoga.com. Other than that, roll up your mat and meet me back here again next Wednesday.